In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent background in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you ever need a clean, see-through background behind your page content, whether you are softening a watermark, dialing back a graphic, or clearing an existing backdrop, Acrobat Pro DC gives you a straightforward way to do it. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process requires the Pro version, not Reader. So make sure you are in the full editing environment. With your document open, go to the top and choose Tools. Then select Edit PDF. That opens the editing toolbar you'll need. Next, look along the secondary toolbar for the More menu. Click More, hover over Background and choose Add. If your file already has a background, choose Update instead so you adjust what's there rather than stacking a new one. Now you'll see the background dialog. Under the Source section, decide whether you are basing the background on a solid color or an image. For a truly neutral transparent look, pick from Color and set the color to white. If you want to control the transparency of an image like a logo or texture, choose File, then browse to the image you want to use. Here is the key step. In the Appearance area, find the opacity setting. Drag the slider or type a number to reduce the opacity. Lower percentages make the background more see-through. 0% makes it completely transparent, so it won't be visible at all. This is especially helpful if you are removing an unwanted backdrop or making an image barely there. Behind your content, you can ignore placement and rotation options unless you are working with an image and need to scale or center it. The defaults are usually perfect. Also remember that opacity only affects the background layer, so your text and graphics stay crisp on top. If you see a preview option, turn it on to check the look before you commit. Before applying, confirm which pages should receive the change. In Page Range, specify the exact pages, arrange, or choose All. Depending on your goal, this ensures you don't affect pages you didn't intend to modify. When everything looks right, click OK to apply your settings. If you need to tweak anything, you can come right back to Tools, Edit PDF, More, Background and use Update to adjust the color, image, or opacity again. Keep in mind that some PDF viewers display a default white canvas, so a fully transparent background can still look white on screen, even though it's actually transparent in the file. That's it. Thanks for watching.